Jeremy, you messed it up again.
Okay, you guys, we have another Mini for sale video. This is a 1986 ERA Turbo Replica. So it has the Turbo Replica body kit, but it is genuinely turbocharged. We're gonna show you that. This is the vehicle we used in our how-to video series, Install the Turbo. This is our friend Todd's Mini, locally here in Portland, Oregon. This Mini is $28,000, and you get a lot of Mini for $28,000. Wait until you see the receipts and the appraisal and all the good stuff that comes along with that. So let's get into it. What do you get for $28,000? A 1986 ERA Turbo Replica. The ERA Turbo Replica Mini, I think, is what they say saved the Mini. That was a really important car in the Mini lineage. And this one here is a replica of those cars. Those cars are really, really expensive. They're really rare. And this one here is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I love this turbo body kit. I don't know if they're made by Z-Max or who makes these kits, but they look really cool. A lot of people really like them. I know Paul here in the shop really digs this. And well, let's pop the bonnet and let's look at the turbo charger in this Turbo Mini. So this has, well, everything. We have well over, I think there's over $20,000 in receipts on this car for all of the cool kits that we do. I mean, this car's got it all. The Jet Motors turbo kit, the HIF 44 turbo carburetor, the turbo ignition. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. And Todd really, really enjoyed this car. He loves this car, and it's your turn to enjoy and love this car. And he kind of let us go bananas with it and put all this cool stuff on it. And I guess I'll just walk around and show you some of the cool stuff. We've got the crystal headlamps with the LED bulbs in there, grill buttons on this really cool Mark III Cooper grill, 8 slats with the external release and the integrated rally lights. I love the European license plate on the body kit with the air dam. That's really cool. I love the Mark I style glass turn signals, the clear side markers. Now look at this. You can see there's some imperfections. The car looks really, really good. The paint is good, but if you get close, you can see some small imperfections here and there. It's not rusty. There's no rust on this car, but you could see that it's really good, but there are some, I guess I'll point them out as I see them. I love the 7 by 13 inch deep dish wheels with the black centers, the Cooper center caps, Nanking tires. This stuff's all brand new. He has very few miles on this. Not even 1,000 miles, maybe, if we're lucky. Everything's brand new. So the Cooper door mirrors, look inside here. I just love this. We have our favorite, the Corbeau LG1 black microfiber suede seats with the Jet Motors seat brackets, the modified seat subframes so they fit the Mini better, red carpet kit, black Mini mats. Look at the Patty Hopkirk shift boot on the KAD short shifter. I'll go over how that shifter works. The Silver matching painted dashboard with the 3 o'clocks in front of the driver, the Momo suede dished steering wheel, the driving position, the shifter is perfect. A very comfortable Mini. You'll see me get in there and we'll go for a ride in it, and you'll get the feel for that. What I'm holding here is the clean Oregon title, non-branded, numbers matching, real 1986 Mini title, bill of sale. But look at this. Come here. Check this out. This is from the Auto Appraisal Network. And back in 2017, that's 8 years ago, it was appraised at $42,700. That's this car. Look at this. They have a very detailed description, pictures, everything on this car. So you can take this appraisal to your insurance. Let's say it's Haggerty or whoever. It's certainly worth more than that now. The insured value on this car should be about 50 grand. That's what it would cost to build something like this. So you need to insure it properly. Haggerty's great for that, but this can help. Remember, you only paid $28,000, but to replace it, 50 grand. You can prove it with all of these receipts. Look at this. There is so many receipts. There's so many receipts. So anyway, documentation, documentation, documentation. All right, let's continue around the car. We continue with the turbo body kit. Look at the clear European style tail lamps with the colored LED bulbs inside there, the Monza flip top gas cap, European plate on the back, center exit turbo exhaust with the turbo body kit, chrome license lamp, beautiful badges that are all chrome and shiny with the Mini wings, chrome boot hinges, and back here, of course, the boot lid liner, the boot liner kit, brand spanking new battery in here. He's got a brand new, he just purchased it. He's like, Jeremy, I just put a brand new battery in it. Why am I struggling with this? So he's got a brand new battery back here with the battery cutoff and the battery ground. A beautiful spare. Look, it holds air. Hey, all right. Your spare tire better be in good condition. Check your spare if you haven't done that. All right. Come on around here. Look at this. Hey, I love these black door extensions. Those are to protect the paint from your fingernails, rings, things like that. So again, Momo Mod 07 suede steering wheel, Corbeau LG1 seats. Look at the seat brackets from here. That's really a good example of how well those work and how nice it is to get that seat back and comfortable. Billet door furniture on the black interior panels with the red stripes. What else? Oh, new glass, new rubber seals, new filler strip. I love the Craven Speed bullet style antenna. That's called the stubby. That's the short stubby. Mini fin alloy valve cover. Did we put 1.5 roller rockers? I mean, the list just keeps going on and on and on. I forget about half the stuff we've done because I work on a lot of Minis, but if I look at the receipts, I start to remember. It's got the disc brakes up front, the adjustable lower control arms, adjustable tie rods, poly bushings, on and on and on. Stainless chrome rear view mirror without the suction cup, so that's a big deal. No more suction cup, I hate that thing. All right, I've talked enough. I think we should go for a ride in a turbocharged or ERA turbo replica Mini Cooper. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go make some turbo noises. Keith, put some cameras on the car.
Okay.
Okay, here we go for a ride in a turbo replica Mini. Well, replica, it has a turbo. I don't know. It wasn't originally an ERA turbo Mini, which are very cool. It's a turbo Mini with a really cool turbo body kit on it. I love the silver gray color, the black roof. Actually, it's charcoal. The black wheels with the polished lip on them really does look good. I love the look of this car. As you can see, I'm sitting very comfortably in this thing. We've got magnolia gauges Miles per hour speedometer. The odometer is reading 61,576 miles. I wouldn't rely on that because everything's been replaced. A lot of this car is new. The body, the paint, the motor, the gearbox, the suspension, the wheels, the tires, the brakes. Did you hear the turbo? Oh, I love turbo minis. This is a really nice car. I'm sitting very comfortably. There's no rattles and shakes, vibrations. Everything is smooth and compliant. The shifter is just butter. Clutch is outstanding. I'll go real fast and then I'll get on the binders real hard, the brakes, and let's see how those feel. Super fin alloy drums on the back, built up back plates, shoes, springs, wheel cylinders, all that stuff. Like I said, everything's new, everything's been replaced. There's not anything to do to this car. On a second here. I wish I could sell you something. Seats, steering wheel, floor mats, everything's done. I think you just buy this car, take it home, put gas in it, drive it. All the service has been, oil's been changed, new battery, new brakes. There's nothing to do, guys. Oh, the alignment in this thing is so good. Steering wheel spot on. It's in a very comfortable position. I'm 6 foot, over 200 pounds, and I fit really nice. I mean, my legs are not cramped. I'm very comfortable. And this seat is adjustable, so you can slide it forward and back. So if you're taller or even shorter, you can still fit in this thing. Wow, I actually lit up the tires there. We've got this turbo dialed. The brakes are outstanding. Look at that. Oh, that's great. Love that. Oh, the K80 shifter. These are really cool. I love the short shift. This little collar, you lift up on this collar to put it in reverse. You don't lift up on the stick like normal. Here, I'll slow down. I don't want to get in trouble. Okay. Let's see. Gosh, what else can I tell you about this car? I think I've told you everything. I don't know. I'd have to go through this pile of receipts to remember. There's a lot. Well, here, let's enjoy the turbo sounds. Here we go. You ready? Wow, we caught that traffic up there real quick. Boy, this car is really nice. I'm enjoying driving it. It's got a lot of power. It's comfortable. It's quiet. There's a storage compartment here with a little rubber mat so your phone doesn't slide around. But you could put a stereo right there if you like. Or if you didn't put a stereo in it, you could just listen to the turbo. The mirrors are great. These Cooper chrome door mirrors with the stainless steel chrome interior mirror gives you fantastic visibility. I can see everything around me, behind me. You know, one of the things about a classic Mini is there's so much glass that it's really a great visibility. I mean, you can really feel like you can see. I always like stepping on it. I'm sorry, guys. What was I saying? Oh, the visibility in a classic Mini is awesome. A lot of glass. You can see everything around you, behind you. They're a lot of fun. This car is a lot of fun. We're going up a hill and that turbo just gets with the program. All right, $28,000, 1986 ERA Turbo Replica Mini. You get everything dialed, turnkey, ready to go. Nothing to worry about. Just enjoy the car. I think you better call me soon. I don't think this Mini's gonna last. So don't be afraid to make a comment or dial the phone now. Dial the phone. If you don't jump on this one, you're gonna miss out. So this is your opportunity to have a really sorted, turbocharged, ready to go Mini in your driveway. All you gotta do is call me and we'll set it up for you. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Have fun, you guys.